Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. Today I'm gonna show you all my Sunday or like special days non-veg lunch routine, which I prepare in like almost like 40-45 minutes. First of all, I'm taking basmati rice and I wash it very well, and I'll be soaking it in water and keeping it aside. And after that, I'll be taking chicken. Here I've taken like more than half a kg for curry, and more than half a kg for this frying the chicken as well. So for the frying thing, I'll be taking I'll be marinating the chicken with 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of pepper, and then 1 spoon of garam masala, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of like meat masala, and 1 spoon of chicken masala. So these are the spices or like masalas I have added, and then I'll be squeezing out half a lemon's juice, and then I'll be adding ginger garlic paste. And then if you want, you can add like shallots and also like curry leaves. Here I'm adding coriander leaf, and then mixing it really well using my fingers itself, because I feel that in that way the masalas get into the chicken really well. And also I have added like a red chili. You can add like green chili, whatever is available with you, you can add that. And as I said, I'll be like mixing with my hands really well, and then I'll be keeping it aside. And then I'll be taking the chicken which I have gonna prepare for this curry, and to this I'll be adding a little bit of spices, not as much as we have added to the frying. Then for this curry purpose, I'll be adding like 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of pepper, 1 spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of garam masala, and 1 spoon of chicken masala. And then again with my fingers itself, I'll be like giving a good mix, and also I have added coriander leaf, and then giving a mix and keeping it aside. Then I'll be taking like onion for that curry, for making chicken curry. I've taken like 3 onion for like chicken, and 1 more extra for like other salad and all those other things. And I've taken like a tomato and ginger, garlic, and other vegetables, and I'll be cutting it into like small pieces. Then I am taking like the chicken which I have marinated for the curry, and I'll be cooking it in cooker. As soon as it hits like one whistle, we need to switch off the flame, else the chicken would be like overcooked. So please keep that in mind. I'm cooking in cooker itself because it would be like faster. So if you want, you can cook in like normal vessel itself. Then for the curry, first I'm taking mud like vessel, and then I am like adding coconut oil. You can add any oil. Then I'll be adding all those finely chopped onions. Then I'll be adding 2 to 3 spoon of salt. It's better to add salt as soon as we before we sort the onion, because it helps to cook onion faster. Then I'll be adding, once the onion is like kind of like cooked, then I'll be adding tomato. Then I'll be adding like chili. Then I'll be giving a good mix. I have also added curry leaf. Then I'll be keeping that aside with the flame in low. Then another like a frying pan, I'll be adding 2 to 3 spoon of like ghee. Then I'll be frying cashew nut in it. This is for the garnishing purpose for the pulav which we are gonna make. Then once it is like goldenish brown, we need to take it out. Parallelly, I'm like sorting the onion and tomato which we have to make for the gravy for the chicken curry. Then once the cashew is done, then I'll be adding this dried grapes. I think so. And then I'll be taking it out once it is like done fried. Then I'll be adding few masalas to it, like the spices, whatever is available with you, you can add it. And then I am adding a little bit of poppy seeds as well. So once it is like fried, then I'll be adding the vegetables which I have chopped for making pulav. First I'm adding this beans. Actually first I had to add onion, a little bit of onion, but then in hurry I forgot, but then I'll be adding it later on. Then I have added like carrot, then capsicum, then I'll be adding green peas. And then only I got to know that I didn't add onion. So after that now I am adding onion. Then I'll be giving a good mix, good salt, and then parallelly I'm like adding ginger and garlic, crushed ginger and garlic for the chicken curry. Then I'll be making us like a little bit of space so that the oil comes out in the middle. Then I'll be adding all the spices: 1 spoon of turmeric, 2 spoon of like chili powder, 1 spoon of pepper, 1 spoon of garam masala, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of meat masala, and then giving again a good mix in that oil. Then I will be mixing it all together. Then I'll be adding a little bit of water and coriander leaf as well. Then I'll be closing it with the lid. So again I'll be adding a little bit of salt to the vegetables for the pulav, as much as we need for the vegetables. Then I'll be giving a good mix. To this I'll be adding chili. Here I am using red chili. You can use green chili, or I mean like whatever is available with you. And then give a good mix. And once it is like semi cooked, half cooked, you can keep the vegetables aside. Then I'll be that if you guys can see, that chicken gravy is like almost done, and here the chicken is like almost cooked, I mean like 70% cooked. And then that chicken I'll be adding it to the gravy. I'm not adding any other water. Then I'll be like whatever water is there while cooking the chicken, that itself I'm adding to the gravy of chicken. And then I'll be giving a good mix, and I'll be closing it with lid and keeping it aside. And for pulav, in the cooker I'll be adding 2 spoon of ghee. There I'll be adding few spices, and then I'll be adding a little bit of turmeric powder for that yellowish color. And then I'll be adding the rice, which I mean that water has to be thrown away completely. Only the rice is needed for us. So without any water, I'll be adding that rice to ghee and little bit of lime juice, maybe 1 spoon of lime juice, that's it, and give it a good mix. What it I mean like it helps to this lime juice and frying in ghee both helps to not stick the rice together once it is like cooked. Then I'll be adding the vegetables as well. Here for the chicken curry I am adding like 4 to 5 spoon of like coconut milk. Again, that's like optional. Then giving a good mix. It's like completely cooked. I'm gonna switch off the flame. So here once for the pulav, once it is like sorted really well, then I'll be adding like water. Here the measurement is like for 1 cup of rice I am like adding 1.5 cup of water. So for the chicken curry I am like adding little bit of onion fried in coconut oil, then coriander leaf, and it's done. So chicken curry is done. And for the rice, at this point you have to I mean put the flame in high, and once the vapors comes from the cooker, you have to put a whistle and put it in simmer and let it be there for like good 4 minutes. And once the after the 4 minutes you can switch off the flame. Okay, please keep it in mind. As soon as you keep the whistle, okay, I mean make the flame in like very low, and then after 4 minutes just switch off the flame and let it be there, cooker let it be there. And then for frying chicken I am adding like little bit of corn flour to the coconut oil. That's because it helps not to stick the chicken to the pan, so that it doesn't burn. So let it be there, chicken let the chicken be there. I have put it in sim and closed the lid. For the salad I have taken curd, cucumber, and onion, and coriander leaf, and one chili, and little bit of salt, and have mixed it really well. And by the time the chicken is like almost done, flip it to the other side, then again close it with the lid. So then I'll be preparing this lime juice parallel to it. By the time it's done, I mean like the cooker's whistle is like completely gone, I mean the vapors are completely gone. So you guys can see like it's completely cooked. I mean it's not overcooked, it's like perfectly cooked. So I have garnished it with little bit of cashews, fried cashews, and like coriander leaf. And then by the time the lime juice was done, and I have soaked chia seeds in like water, and I'll be adding that chia seed to water and then giving it a good mix. So lime juice is also done, chicken curry is done, pulav is done, and by the time the chicken fry was like also done. So my yummy lunch is like ready. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching it. I mean, like, I really don't know to tell you guys the exact measurement. I'm really sorry for that, but then I really hope this video must have helped you guys. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Please do not forget to click that tiny little bell icon next to that subscribe button, so that every time I post a video you guys get updated. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. Mwah.